Hi, in today's video we're going to turn $10 worth of scrap wood and a piece of acrylic into something resembling this $125 crate and barrel knife block. We'll see how it goes. I do have some scrap acrylic from something I built, so I'm going to be using this. It cuts okay on the table saw. Sometimes it starts to chip. I don't know. We'll just see how it goes. I'm going to drill some pilot holes in the four corners. I'll put a screw through each with two of these tiny washers. I think that'll be thick enough for the blades on each corner. Behind, screw through the middle. All right, we are going to secure the top part to the base. All right, stain it up. Now, if you had some better looking hardware, of course, you could use it, but I'm just gonna use what I got. You can pick these up. You can order these off Amazon, or you can pick these up at, I got this from Lowe's, and 16 by 24 sheet, I think it was. So a little AAR on this one, it pushes out a little bit in the middle. So maybe a quick fix to that is to put another set of screws in the middle, or maybe not make it quite as long. But other than that, it works. If you want to pay the $120 something for the crate and barrel one, go ahead, but you can make this one with scrap wood and a little bit of acrylic.